Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to link PlayStation account to Marvel Rivals on PC. Alright, let's begin. Here's what you want to do. First, open your PC browser and Google search Marvel Rivals. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. This should take you to the official Marvel Rivals site. Once you're on the site, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login button. Click on it. A window will appear showing several login options like Steam, Epic Games, Xbox, NetEase Games, and PlayStation. Go ahead and click on the PlayStation icon. This action will redirect you to the official Sony login page. Now simply log into your PlayStation account using your credentials. After logging in, your PlayStation account will be successfully linked to Marvel Rivals on PC. And that's it. So that's basically how you can link PlayStation account to Marvel Rivals on PC. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.